Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a tutorial on Mistral AI. First, go to the Mistral AI website. Here you will see they offer different plans. There is a free plan, a pro plan that costs $14.99, a team plan at $24.99, and an enterprise plan which is custom priced. For now, let's start with the free plan. Now click on sign up from the bottom right corner of the page. Next, click on the Google icon to continue with your Google account. Now choose your Google account from the list. Then click on continue to finish setting up your account. Here, you can start using Mistral AI by entering a prompt. For example, type something like, "Hi, how are you doing?" Now, as you can see, Mistral AI will generate a response for you. Next, type another prompt such as, "Help me to solve an equation." The AI will provide you with a step-by-step solution. Now, click on the plus icon and then click on Attach File. Here, you can select a file from your computer and upload it for Mistral AI to analyze. You can also check out the available tools inside the platform, which give you more options for writing, solving problems, or working with files. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.